Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to share with you one of the most powerful and controversial books ever written, The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. This book is not just about politics or leadership, it is about life itself, about how people behave, how power works in relationships, and how you can protect yourself from being manipulated. So stay with me till the end, because I'm going to take you through all the 48 laws of power, in simple and practical language, along with lessons you can apply in real life. Law 1. Never outshine the master. Imagine you are working under a boss. If you show off too much talent, he might feel insecure. Instead, make him feel like he is the smartest. This way, he'll support you. Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends, learn how to use enemies. Friends may betray you out of jealousy. Enemies, when turned into allies, can be more loyal. Law 3. Conceal your intentions. Always keep your real plan hidden. If people don't know what you are up to, they can't stop you. Law 4. Always say less than necessary. Silence is powerful. The less you speak, the more mysterious and respected you appear. Law 5. Guard your reputation with your life. Your reputation is your strongest asset. Once it's damaged, power is lost. Law 6. Court attention at all costs. Don't disappear in the crowd. Be visible, because power comes to those who stand out. Law 7. Get others to do the work, but take the credit. Learn to delegate, but make sure the world sees you as the achiever. Law 8. Make others come to you. Don't chase, attract. Set the terms so others play by your rules. Law 9. Win through actions, not arguments. Instead of endless debates, show proof with results. Actions always speak louder. Law 10. Avoid the unlucky and unhappy. Stay away from negative people. Their energy drags you down. Law 11. Keep people dependent on you. If people need you, they will never betray you. Law 12. Use honesty and generosity wisely. A single act of honesty can make people trust you, even if your long-term plan is different. Law 13. Appeal to self-interest. When you want help, don't beg, show others what they will gain by helping you. Law 14. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. By blending in, you can gather information without anyone noticing. Law 15. Crush your enemy completely. Don't leave enemies half defeated. They'll come back stronger. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect. Too much presence makes you ordinary. Distance increases value. Law 17. Keep people in suspense. Unpredictability scares and controls others. Law 18. Don't isolate yourself. Stay connected to people, because isolation weakens power. Law 19. Know who you are dealing with. Don't fight blindly. Understand your opponent's strength first. Law 20. Don't commit to anyone. Stay free. Don't get tied down. Independence is power. Law 21. Play the fool to catch the fool. Pretend to be weaker, and people will reveal their real plans. Law 22. Use surrender tactic. Sometimes losing a battle helps you win the war. Law 23. Concentrate your forces. Focus on one big goal instead of scattering energy. Law 24. Play the perfect courtier. Be respectful, flattering, and diplomatic in social settings. Law 25. Recreate yourself. Don't live by society's label. Create your own identity. Law 26. Keep your hands clean. Stay away from dirty work. Let others take the blame. Law 27. Build a cult-like following. People want to believe in something. Give them hope, and they'll follow you. Law 28. Enter action with boldness. Be confident. Boldness inspires respect. Law 29. Plan to the end. Think long term. Don't just focus on today's move. Law 30. Make success look effortless. Don't show how hard you worked. Make success look natural. Law 31. Control the options. Give people choices where both outcomes benefit you. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. People love dreams more than reality. Sell them dreams. Law 33. Find the weak spot. Everyone has a weakness. Use it wisely. Law 34. Act like a king to be treated like one. Respect yourself first, then others will respect you. Law 35. Master the art of timing. Wait for the right moment. Acting too early or late destroys plans. Law 36. Ignore what you cannot have. Not everything is meant for you. Ignoring is the best revenge. Law 37. Create grand spectacles. People remember visuals more than words. Law 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Blend in to avoid unnecessary attention. Law 39. Stir the waters to catch fish. Confuse enemies, make them angry, and they will make mistakes. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Nothing is truly free. Pay your way to stay independent. Law 41. Don't step into a great man's shoes. Create your own path, don't just copy others. Law 42. Strike the shepherd. Remove the leader, and the group falls apart. Law 43. Work on hearts and minds. Win people emotionally, not just logically. Law 44. Mirror your enemies. Copy them, it frustrates and weakens them. Law 45. Preach change slowly. People resist sudden change. Introduce it step by step. Law 46. Don't appear too perfect. Show small flaws. Perfection creates envy. Law 47. Know when to stop. Don't overdo success. Stop at the right time. Law 48. Be formless. Be like water, adaptable, flexible, impossible to catch. Friends, the 48 laws of power teaches us that life is full of hidden games of influence and control. If you don't understand these rules, others will use them against you. But if you learn and apply them wisely, you can protect yourself, lead effectively, and create opportunities. Remember, power is not about being cruel, it's about being aware, strategic, and smart. So, which law did you find the most powerful? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and life-changing lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.